What is a fitness plateau?
A fitness plateau occurs when your body adapts to your regular workouts and progress stalls. This can mean you're no longer seeing gains in strength, endurance, or weight loss. Plateaus are common and a natural part of any fitness journey, but recognizing them early can help you take action and keep moving forward toward your goals.
Why do plateaus happen?
Plateaus usually happen because your body becomes efficient at your current routine. When you repeat the same exercises, intensity or duration, your muscles adapt and improvements slow down. Other factors, such as not getting enough rest, poor nutrition, or increased stress, can also contribute to stalled progress. Understanding the cause helps guide your next steps.
How can you break through a plateau?
To break through a plateau, try changing your workout. This could mean lifting heavier weights, increasing intensity, switching exercise types, or adding intervals to your cardio. Small tweaks in your routine force your body to adapt in new ways, reigniting progress. Remember, gradual increases are key to preventing injury and maintaining motivation.
How important are rest and recovery?
Rest and recovery play a vital role in overcoming plateaus. Overworking your muscles without enough downtime can hinder progress. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and including rest days in your routine. Allowing your body to recover properly helps you come back stronger and reduces the risk of burnout.
When should you seek help?
If you're still struggling after adjusting your workout and lifestyle habits, it might be time to consult a fitness professional or healthcare provider. They can offer tailored advice, identify underlying issues, and help you set realistic goals. Remember, plateaus are normal. Staying flexible and patient is just as important as the actions you take.